What is up, you guys? I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about this brush cleaner that I got off of Instagram from a company called mirecleen. This will be my first time opening this. I just got it in the mail when I got off work today, so I want to open it and share it with you guys because I am tired of cleaning all my brushes by hand, and I know you probably are too. And to make a brush cleanser set only costs $29.90. So here's what the website looks like. When you first go on there, it shows you a picture of what the brush cleanser looks like. You scroll down, it tells you about the fact that it dries in 30 seconds and is durable and built to last. Once you click order now, it's going to take you to the page where you can pick which color you want. I decided to go with the pearl white color. I thought it was really cute, really girly. So also the red one on there is really cute as well, but I just thought, you know, the little rose gold on there was super cute. So I got the color pearl white. It takes AAA batteries, so power on button right here. Also comes with this bow and all the different size grips for your brushes are inside the bow. There's like the standard size. I'm gonna take this little piece here and snap it in. So it comes with this little stand, so when you're done washing the brushes, you can just sit it all here to dry. I'm going to just wash a couple brushes to see how it works and see if it dries. So let's test it out. Okay, so the first brush I'm going to wash is the brush I use to put on my foundation. So I put like the standard size collar on, and you just push the brush all the way down in there. Hold this up like this. Wow, it's really already dry. Like, that's crazy. Literally, they didn't lie. It dries in seconds. Like, you can start your makeup right away. You don't have to wait on them dry. It's just simple right here in this bowl. So this water is gross. So now it's time to go change the water and clean some more. Would you look at there? And guess what? It's dry. You won't believe it. Man. I will put their website and their Instagram name in the description box below. I'm gonna wash the rest of my brushes and call it a night. You need to go ahead, go on there, get this brush cleaner because it's gonna save your life. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.